G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 7, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. On all three timelines, the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly, you can see here on the daily we're in an uptrend. On the 4 hourly, the moving average of the CCI is in an uptrend as well. And on the hourly, it's broken to the downside. So just be cautious about going long. So let's look at each of these on the daily first. We drew this key resistance area up here at 29,180 and this support area at 26,520. Now it's currently in that range and it's bouncing off this descending diagonal trend line. So I've drawn a wedge here, this descending and this ascending diagonal trend lines. So it's currently bouncing off that descending line. If I zoom out there, you can see there. Now during this period, and I always use the CCI 1500 as our key indicator, because you'll notice here it told you back here, avoid going long, only take short positions, even though the price went up. That would have been a bit of a risky trade had you done that. Now the price did go up quite nicely, but again you would have been going against the CCI trend, which is the indicator I use predominantly. Now it's broken to the upside here. It doesn't mean you want to go long automatically. We need to look at what's happening in the lower time frames. So again, let's go to the 4 hour chart first. It's you can see here more clearly it's really gravitating towards that descending trend line, and it's in this range between that resistance and that support. Now I've also put in this Fibonacci retracement initially to that high, and you'll notice it bounced off the 23% a couple of times. Now it's gone a bit higher than that since that point. So if I put it to that new level there, that's our new Fibonacci retracement level from that low to that high. So first we need to see it, to be more confident about going bearish, we need to see a break below this key support area, which is at 26,520. But ultimately, with Fibonacci's, you want to see it break the 61% level to be more confident of a trend reversal. So at the moment, the CCI is showing you a bullish momentum, and we want to respect that primarily. So if it breaks above that resistance up there, then we may want to take long trades. So let's see what's happening on the hourly. Again, looking at a closer picture here on the hourly, I'll move that Fibonacci to that new high up there. So again, we need to see it break this resistance to be more bullish, but at the moment you can see there, we must always respect indicators where they show the opposite position. So here it's showing a bearish signal. So at the moment, it just may be a retrace to some of these lower levels. And again, anything above the 61% could be just a bounce to the upside. And our first level of support will be this 26,520 support area. So primarily long positions, but at the moment, just hold off until we get more of a bullish signal on the hourly at least. And ideally, we want to see it break this resistance area up there. So again, just drilling out, you can see there, the daily and the 4 hour are long, but on the hourly it's showing a weakness, and we want to see it break to the upside before taking further long trades. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us further on Patreon, and we'll see you in a future video.